Hey guys, how's it going? It's me again. Today I figured we could play some what's this called? Rocket League. That's what it's called. Sorry, I tend to forget things sometimes. I actually have been playing this quite a bit already to, figure out what I'm doing and all this. So let's play an exhibition match. I'm gonna go 2v2. We're gonna go on the all-star mode. Now, if you look down here, I'm only a semi-pro, so this can go badly. All-star mode. Let's do this. Guys, I also want to mention I'm not good at this game. And be expecting more episodes of Minecraft soon. Let's auto-join a team. I don't really care which one. Look at my awesome car. Boost! I don't know how good the other team is gonna be. I'm gonna now. Oh, they might be pretty good. Stop. Jump. Oh shit. Where's my teammate? Let's boost. So I want to beat Cougar to it. Actually, want to get this. Oh, come on, I can capitalize. Oh shit, I overshot it. I'm sorry if I have to use language. I'll try not to use language, I'm sorry. Oh god, he tried to destroy me. And he almost succeeded. Viper. No, come. He did not just... My god. I'm a freaking idiot. Yeah, I don't want to rush the replay. It'll show me how bad I am. Let's just boost, try to get a good start. Oh god, he's... Whoa, they like zoomed past me and I'm the only actual player. Another reason is why I'm not doing the actual online mode is because my internet ain't good enough. Like, if my internet was good enough, I would do online mode, but I just don't have great internet. Block it. Oh no, no! I think I blocked it. No. Come on. Please don't score. No, Cougar, no. Ow. I tried to kill him. I'm gonna go for this thing. Wait for it. Capitalize. Oh, okay. Oh wow, he like hit me towards the ground. Oh, good job, Viper. Viper, we can score here. Oh, come on. No! Viper. Yes. No. Yes. Come on. Oh, I scored. I stole the score from Viper. I'm sorry, Viper. I stole it from you. I got really impatient. Let's go. Maybe I can get another thing. Okay. Wait for it. I'm facing the wrong way. Just wait on it. Just give the ball a little patient. Nope, Viper. Oh, you might have done good. Oh no, I messed it up. I messed up any chance of us doing good. Boom, there goes Cougar. Viper, what are you doing? Good job. One thing I've experienced is like, if the ball gets close to your goal in like the lower levels, like your teammate will start aiming for your goal instead of the opposite team. Ooh, I got achievement progress, writer's block. I don't know what that means. Let's go. Oh, you jerk. Oh no, that's gonna be in. That's how you save it. Oh, you jerk, I was gonna get it in. I hate it. I hate it when I'm perfect, but then one jerk messes you up. And like you can't do anything. What the? Don't you capitalize. Drive. Hit it. Viper, these guys are jerks. Viper! Yes! Viper! Come on. Yes! Viper scored for us. Yes. Viper's been doing like all the work. Look at that score. That was such a perfect score. 2, 1. Now all we have to do is hold the ball. Make sure they can't score on us. Oh, I didn't get first touch. Oh. 30 seconds. We can do this, guys and gals. Screw Viper up. Capitalize. Yes! Viper scored again. We've won. Unless they can score within 15 seconds, which I doubt they can. Oh, wow. At least I got the first touch. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drive at the wall. Okay, we win. Okay, guys. We just won. And I got semi-gloss paint, which I don't really think I want to equip that right now. I'm perfectly fine. Okay, guys. I actually beat the semi-pro rank at least one time. I feel proud of myself. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great time. Expect more Minecraft. And out of all, just thank y'all guys for joining me on this wacky adventure. Peace out.